Want to edit your photos like a pro without spending hours learning complicated software? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use inPixio to easily remove backgrounds, erase unwanted objects, and enhance your images using AI. Whether you're a small business owner, a content creator, or just want to clean up your personal vacation photos, inPixio is designed to make photo editing effortless. The best part? You don't need any prior editing experience to get started. Let's look at how it works. inPixio actually gives you a few different ways to edit. If you're in a hurry, you can use their online photo editor right in your browser, no installation required. If you want full control and the ability to work offline, they offer a downloadable Windows software. Plus, there's an iOS app if you prefer editing on the go. Once you open up the tool, the AI features do most of the heavy lifting. First, let's talk about their background remover. With just a single click, the AI automatically detects your subject and cuts it out, even handling tricky, intricate details. From there, you can use their AI-generated background tool to swap out a dull backdrop for a beautiful landscape, a clean studio setting, or a creative composite in seconds. Next up is the Magic Eraser. If you have photobombing tourists, power lines, or unwanted clutter in your shot, you just brush over them. The AI-powered object removal tool seamlessly erases them and reconstructs the background behind them like they were never even there. You can also quickly adjust brightness, tweak contrast, sharpen details, and add filters to make your colors pop. Now, what do users actually think? While we have limited independent review data to draw from today, the featured testimonials from users like Laura and Bozana highlight how incredibly easy the platform is for beginners. They specifically praise the transparent background tool and note that the paid version is highly worth it for the sheer amount of features you get. It's a great, affordable alternative to heavy, expensive design software. If you want to try it out for yourself, head over to inPixio.com. You can start editing online for free right now or download the Windows version to test it out. If you found this quick walkthrough helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more easy AI tutorials, and let me know in the comments what photo you're going to edit first. See you in the next video.